This savory dish at their house is freshly made every day. Mix these noodles into these fried dough sticks. Eat like this together, but looking red. Not spicy but very fragrant. Do you know, that braised pork wrapped in that fried dough sticks? Eat them together like this. Hello everyone. Today we eat fried dough sticks and noodles at a restaurant in Chengdu. I was actually here last time. It was sold out since I arrived. Oh yes. 1 o'clock noon, right, and the ones I sold today at noon are not available. Right, then I called at 6 o'clock this morning. Then depart from Chengdu at 6 o'clock. Then came here. Then go and now there are still. Mother ha 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 ha. Ha. Shoot video at noon. Ha ha ha. Ha. This savory dish is made fresh every day. That's really delicious. These shoes are packed for this person to eat. Have you ever eaten this kind of wide noodles? I ate a lot when I was a kid. Then this wide noodle is really, I seldom ate it later. I think this kind of wide noodles looks delicious. Then there's a lot of sauerkraut inside. 10 you want a bowl. I don't have the skills to eat noodles for 10 or 8 years. I can't move my hands. Why? Oh. Well, this is delicious. I took 3 bites without saying anything. My meat is braised. It tastes like it looks red. But it's not really spicy. You know, it feels so good when I talk like this, you know? And this noodle tastes very smooth. It tastes very delicious after mixing it. Have another bite. Well, delicious. It's hot if you don't soak it in vain. And now comes the essence of this fried dough sticks noodles. Add fried dough sticks. Real. How can it be fragrant without mixing? Friends, the aroma of oil has completely penetrated into this fried dough sticks. Then wrap it. Together, they become a tough dish. There were fried dough sticks and noodles all morning. Although they are all noodles, but it feels different. Eat red. Looks very appetizing. Let me take a bite. Wrapped in this meat dumpling. Wow, it really hurts. This tastes like this to you. The older fried dough sticks. Really haven't eaten much bamboo shoots yet. I think it's delicious just eating it like this. The fried dough sticks must be mixed in and coated with oil. Let's have another bite with the noodles. Yeah, I love eating these fried dough sticks so much. My friend will give me half a bowl of noodles. Wow. Wow! Look at this minced meat. And there are quite a lot of bamboo shoots here. And this side, I tell everyone, it's actually not that easy to mess up. All you have to do is mix it and turn it around. It's actually not easy to lump after mixing it. This feels good. It's a delicious meal for just over 10 yuan. Very delicious breakfast. There's that smell of fireworks again. It's the street again. I think this store is awesome. I live nearby. I should come here often to eat. It's delicious. Look at this red fried dough sticks. Look, I've been eating for so long. There's a lot of content in this below. Just this, you can still bake it, right? He sells these bamboo shoots, very tender. A small shop like theirs, many people actually started eating when they were in elementary school. Here. Then I kept eating until I grew up now. It's a pretty simple breakfast shop. Then the meat they cook is really delicious. It's the kind of wide noodles with soy sauce and pork. Generally speaking, this is a delicious street breakfast restaurant. I think I ate it recently. A very delicious restaurant. Called the taste of childhood. Then the braised pork is delicious. Delicious dry mix. Yutiao or old yutiao. Rapeseed oil fried dough sticks. Mix it together like this. It's really quite flavorful, I think. Because I've never thought about this before. This noodle. Mix it into these fried dough sticks. Eat like this together. But actually, it has to be delicious. Looks red, but not spicy. But very fragrant. Do you know, inside the fried dough sticks wrapped in braised pork. Eat them together like this. Today we took the video here. Goodbye next time.